Over and over again, as we have travelled the long journey of the Plenary Council together, we have been reminded that we are called to be a Christ-centred church. What do you think God is asking of us in Australia at this time? It would be so easy to presume that what I as an individual or what we as members of a particular community passionately desire for the church must be without doubt what God desires for the church. And that, of course, may well be the case. But then again, it might not be. And so we do pray, come, Holy Spirit of Pentecost. Come, Holy Spirit of the great Southland.